Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I will put about s squared everything to the power of 2. Later that we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared, and later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. The s we change by this one. Now we have the formula in here. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equal to number 7 tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 49 tan t squared, 49. We can do about factorization. Tan t squared plus 1 we change by secant of t squared, and later that we simplify by du. Du we have 7 secant of t squared dt. So I will put this one gone here. Du we change by this one. This one we have 49 tan t squared. 49 we can do about factorization. And this one we change by secant of t squared. Later that we simplify and we have 1/7. Number 7 and number 2 we have 1/14. So the integration of dt we have t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 7. And now we have t equals to arctan of u/7. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about s squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.